I've heard people say that banking in the coming 10 years will change more than in the previous 100 years. And I think that may be true. I think when you look at banking today, competition is probably fiercer than it has ever been. And I think a country like the UAE is a great example. 53 banks competing for essentially the same banking space. So very strong competition from incumbent banks. On top of that, new entrants, whether it's telecom operators, fintechs, digital-only banks. Everybody wants to compete in this space. I don't think competition has ever been as fierce as it is today. We have regulation coming our way, Basel III, IFRS 9. This is regulation that will have an impact on the banking system. I'm very pleased to say that I believe the central bank of the UAE is going around this in exactly the right way and sort of understands the proportionality of it all. The measures that we take should be proportional to the size and complexity of the banks, and that's something that works extremely well in my opinion. But a combination of competition, primarily driven by very fast technological developments, increased regulation, it makes for a very challenging environment.
Well, which kind of makes the question I want to ask slightly irrelevant, because the answer is going to be out of date. I don't mean you're going to get it wrong, but I think it's going to be out of date. What does the banking customer want? Yes, they want high levels of service, but what do they want to do? What is it people want to do, and how does the bank go about meeting those needs?
I think customers want sort of a hassle-free service. Things have to be right first time, have to be done fast, the bank has to be responsive.
And they have to be done 24/7.
They have to be done 24/7 at a location of the customer's choice. Customers expect to be able to, you can order at Amazon 24/7. Customers expect to be able to deal with their banks 24/7. Whether it's on mobile banking, internet banking, on the ATMs, cash deposit machines, service has to be 24/7. I believe increasingly customers will expect service to be omni-channel as well. You start a transaction at a certain channel, you stop it in the middle, you continue it at another channel. That's technologically not easy to do, but it is something that customers will expect, because it works today that way with Amazon, right? Again, as an example. So I believe that this sort of any place, anytime, anywhere banking, combined with this omni-channel approach, that's what customers will expect banks to provide.
And finally, from your perspective, now that you're getting your feet under the desk at Commercial Bank of Dubai, and you've got a clear idea of the institution and its priorities, or what you think its priorities should be, what are the top ones? What's on your to-do list, and what will you be doing first?